Welcome to our channel Color Mixing. Today we will get 6 new colors with dual color mixtures, one of which is navy blue. For our first color, we take equal amounts of navy blue and Sinopia. Then we mix these two colors thoroughly. Deep jungle green, a color from the depths of nature, emerges as a result of this mixture. When the color dries, its greenish appearance becomes more evident. For our second mixture, we will use two colors from the blue family. We take some baby blue with our brush and add the same amount of navy blue to it. At the end of this mixture, our expectation is a tone of blue. Azale blue is the resulting color. It maintains its vibrant appearance even after drying. For our next color, we will use two colors that we can predict the outcome as soon as you see them. We mix navy blue and yellow in equal amounts. We know the result will be some kind of green. And at the end of the mix, dark forest green emerges. It continues to look natural when dry. In our new color, navy blue will be accompanied by a specific color, Salle Green. We take equal amounts of these two colors and mix them well. The mixture still remains blue. So, this green lightens the blue color. And the result is Congress blue. We see its final form when it dries. To create our next color, we take some navy blue and then add the same amount of Bordeaux to it. When we mix these two colors, dark royal blue is formed, a color that contains the characteristics of both. When the paint dries, these color details appear more clearly. For the final color, we will create using navy blue. We first take some deep rose and add navy blue to it. Again, we see that a color from the blue family is formed. Finally, the formation of lapis blue shows us that a dark color from the family of blue, one of the primary colors, incorporates many other colors when mixed. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video where we will meet new colors.